Why does your scanner show the P0328 engine code? What does it mean? P0328 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor circuit high input. This engine code indicates that your car's computer has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the NOx sensor on the first bank of cylinders. This can lead to a variety of symptoms and potential engine damage if not addressed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor, wiring problems, engine control unit fault, engine vibration, incorrect sensor installation, corroded contacts. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Subaru, Chevrolet, or Jaguar vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.